Hi MEYLE friends! Today I will talk about axial joints, also known as inner tie rods. Unfortunately, these parts are installed frequently incorrectly. Often thread locking liquid is used during installation, which should not be used at all for some inner tie rods. Why this is the case, I would like to show you in detail. Many of you might have seen an inner tie rod which has this groove on the thread. This groove is a venting groove. Together with the hollow steering rack shaft, it enables an air exchange between the left and right protection boot. If you use thread locking liquid during installation, how to be seen here, the groove and therefore the air exchange is blocked. An indicator of a not functioning air exchange between both protection boots can be that they are dented inwards. Is now the tie rod extending, air cannot flow into the protection boot and a vacuum is created. Because of this wrong installation with thread locking liquids, these bellows wear out prematurely. It does not always have to be a groove enabling the air exchange. It can also be holes, as seen here. Many other inner tie rods don't have to have any of those features. Then, most of the time, there's an air channel in the steering rack housing. How to tighten those axial joints with the prescribed torque I want to show you on this car. Obviously, I will screw in the new axial joint without any thread locking liquid and tighten it with the required torque. To be able to apply the correct torque, a special tie rod socket is needed. The axial joint is now correctly installed. The air exchange is now possible. Have a good drive and see you soon.